Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Epic Games account that has parental controls enabled. Make sure you use a desktop browser or the Epic Games launcher for full access. Once signed in, confirm the account email and password. You may need the verification code sent to your email or phone. Make sure console family settings are paused or unlinked, because those can reapply restrictions. Now open account settings, then privacy or parental controls. You're ready for the first actionable change. You'll find the parental controls area under account settings. Once there, choose parental controls or privacy depending on your interface. Enter the current PIN to unlock controls. If you forgot it, request a verification code to your registered email or phone and use that to reset the PIN. After unlocking, toggle off specific restrictions such as purchases, chat limits, and age-based content filters. Take a moment to review linked console accounts and unlink any that still enforce limits so changes persist. After you make changes, save and exit the settings, then sign out of Epic and sign back in to ensure the new preferences propagate. You should test immediately, launch a previously restricted game, or attempt a small, free purchase to verify controls are lifted. If restrictions remain, request a PIN reset via the account recovery flow or contact Epic support for assistance. Keep your account email, proof of ownership, and console account info handy. That troubleshooting step usually resolves stuck permissions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.